I'm going to show you how to make garlic paste. We want to remove, first of all, peel your garlic, and then we want to remove the bottom stem. I do not like when the brown part shows in your garlic paste, so I remove it. I like to use gloves when I manage my garlic. If I need to work into, we wear a bunch of different hats here in the kitchen, so if I need to work then in a dessert, I don't want my hands to be smelling like garlic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to bring my garlic to the edge of the board. Because if you try to crush your garlic in the center, we all need to just lay your knife flat like that and crush it. Or most people do is to put this weird angle on their knife and they try to crush your garlic. I bring it to the edge of the board. It's going to be a little bit easier. My knife can lay flat. And when you crush garlic, you don't have to pound it with a lot of force. Just apply with the back of your hand just a little bit of pressure. That will start opening up your garlic, and at this point this will be what you call crushed garlic, crushed fresh garlic. You can use it already in any recipes that I call for crushed garlic. I'm gonna make paste. I'm gonna use my hand like a throttle, and I'm going to apply pressure, downward pressure on the garlic. At the same time, I'm going to use my left hand to stabilize my knife, and at the same time I'm going to use it to apply more pressure. And I'm going to do a sweeping motion. I'm going to press and sweep back, press and sweep back, press and sweep back. If you feel uncomfortable working with bigger chunks, you can always give it a rough chop to your garlic, then bring it to the edge, and you can start at that point if you don't feel comfortable with working with bigger chunks. So I'm going to apply pressure with both my left hand down and my right hand. I'm going to twist my knife and drag back. And that movement is going to crush your garlic slowly. And I wish you could smell it right now. So literally releasing all the oils and all the flavor of the garlic. Once you get to the edge, reorganize your garlic. And I usually work really fast. I'm going to do it slowly so you can observe. So I use my left hand to stabilize my knife, and your garlic paste, it could be as thin or as chunky as you wish. You're the one that is going to decide how chunky your paste is going to look like. I like mine to a point that I can still see the garlic. The advantage of creating a garlic paste is that the garlic was almost dissolve once it hits a cooking medium like hot oil. Some chefs add also a little bit of salt on the garlic. Salt will add as an abrasive, and it will make your paste form faster. I do not like to do that because it will add salt to my recipe, so I don't want to make any adjustments after that. Be careful with your knife, it will get slippery. And this is how your garlic paste will look after you're done. If you want something a little bit more creamier, work it a couple of more minutes, but this is the way I like my garlic paste.